Any request for information from the department will be shown under the task list on your My Environment dashboard. Requests will be marked with the prefix RFI. This RFI function is only available to authorized users. When selecting a new RFI item, which is shown by the status Not Started, you'll be taken to the Request for Information page where you can supply the additional information. Reply directly to the request by clicking the arrow under the Request Actions button. Read the detail of the request from the department here, then type your response in the text box. When you're done, click the Submit Information button. If you missed any required fields, you'll see an error message pop up, as flagged here in red. This could mean that you may have missed responding to all the requested information as shown by the status reason. Simply action it accordingly. Only when you have responded to all the requests will you be able to submit the RFI. A confirmation page will appear when your RFI response has been submitted. Click to view the submission details and you'll notice the RFI record is now linked to the application. As you scroll down, you'll also find all related inquiries, fees, and historical records conveniently linked on the page. Please respond to an RFI within an acceptable time frame. If you need more time to provide the requested information, you can ask for an extension. Simply scroll to the bottom of the RFI page and click the Submit an Inquiry button. Ensure you do this before the due date to allow the department time to review and reply. By submitting the inquiry form directly from here, it will automatically be linked to the RFI record and the application related to the request. Provide your reason for the extension and then click Next to progress. If you are only requesting an extension, skip the spatial information step by clicking the Next button. Attach any relevant files to support your extension request via this step if necessary. When you're done, simply click Submit. You're provided with a reference number for your extension request with the prefix ENQ so you can track its status easily. You can do this from your My Environment main dashboard under the Inquiries tab. When you're ready to respond, return to the RFI record on the tasks list on the main dashboard. Review the information on the page and respond accordingly by replying to the request. Click the Add Files button if you need to supply additional attachments. Then click the Submit Information button. When the department has received and progressed your submission, the RFI status will change accordingly on the dashboard. We hope this video has helped you confidently manage your requests for information. For more information and guidance, visit Environment Online at environmentonline.dwer.wa.gov.au.